Good afternoon, everybody. Here it is, Saturday morning. It's probably about 11 o'clock, so late morning. Got some clouds covering the mountain. It's been windy, a little warmer than normal, but I'd still say it's probably about 68, 70 degrees. Probably about 65 degrees. I hadn't looked at the actual thermometer, but I've got. But pretty skies over there. Over here, might get a little rain. Getting ready to cook some lunch, some hamburgers. But we is having a ball. Bucky, what do you think? Are you having a ball? You want a hamburger? So an easy day at the camp. We're going to have Kenley's birthday party today, kind of. Just us. We're going to go over on the snowpack and set up a few little decorations and get her cake and a candle. And then tomorrow's her actual birthday. So we're going to go into a town, I hope, and let her do some shopping. That's the plan. I hope everybody's having a great day. From the Grand Tetons. Yeah, buddy.
3 hours later.
So happy Saturday afternoon to everybody. Those clouds from this morning have just been one big front after another. It has threatened to rain a couple of times, but I guess it looks like the mountain has got a little more snow on it than it's had. We've had a few raindrops. We've had a real strong wind on and off all day, and it's cooled off a pretty good bit, especially when the cloud cover's over. The sun's out now, and the wind's not blowing nowhere near as much as it was. We had retreated to the camper to try and ride out some of the wind, but it's just been one after another. We get a little spell to where it stops blowing and the clouds clear out a little bit and it warms up, but then as soon as you get out and try to do something, clouds come back in and it gets cold. And them monkeys, they don't like cold. So we really ain't got heavy clothes. So as long as you're moving, it's okay. If you sit down, try to relax a little bit, it gets a little cool. But Bucky's having fun. Looks like we're probably gonna have to postpone Kenley's little birthday party on the ice patch. It's a little too far of a hike to get over there and it start to rain because, like I said, it looks like the mountains is taking most of it. And it's kind of splitting to both sides. But Bucky's loving it. We're still having a ball. We've been in the camper most of the day playing videos and just having fun. So luckily we still have service here. Not so great, but some service. So alright, y'all have a great Saturday afternoon, and yeah, buddy. What are y'all doing? Are you and your brother fighting? Boy, the mosquitoes are rough over here.